I'm going to cover intensive SPM practice 5. This is the last practice for you. In diagram 10, P, Q and TR are two vertical poles on a horizontal plane. So from P, where's your P here? So when you say from P, you have to draw a horizontal line. Then you connect your P to T. So this will be the angle of elevation. The same thing, but there is an extra prism there. Okay, you can see this one is the same one, but they have attached another solid, which is prism. So if you view from the front, what you can see a rectangle here, you can see another rectangle here, and then you also can see another rectangle here. If you look from here, right? Okay, you can see this, you can see this, and then you can see this.